Course book ke ahan chapter How to Save Our Environment from Pollution. Hairiba chapter asi mamangi syllabus tana maming ama olaga tamlami aduga board asu masigi chapter asidagi question si mark ama natraga anni natraga ahum hairiba ahum si manungda mong ama natraga amada dum soidana maki hangaga lagli aduna haje akhoi ahan chapter How to Save Our Environment from Pollution paminasi. Environmental pollution is one of the serious problems men face all over the world today. Let us read how each one of us can contribute to its betterment. Environmental pollution haibasi akhoi yamna aruba problems singi manungda amakak oiri hujujik prithibida mipum khudimona thengnariba problems singi manungda masina khwaidagi aruba ama adum oiduna leiri haibasi akhoi parasi gi wahodokta akhoi na thengnai aduga loinana masi phagalana navidongta akhoi amamamna kadai phawba kari kari tobu yabage habadu pasi haidna. Pollution is a process of contaminating an area of the natural environment such as the air, soil or water, usually by introducing damaging substances such as chemicals or waste products. These substances are generally termed as pollutants. Pollutants can be naturally occurring substances or energies, but they are considered contaminants when they exceed the natural levels. Pollution haibasi process amani process ama haibasi akoina hauba amadi loiba naidaba adumba thong aduba akoina process haina khangne. Pollution haise karigumba akoi phibam amakha akoina hakchang da songninga oiba natraka mang tangninga oiba adumba phibam amada laklabadi madu akoina pollution thokpa haina khangne. Aduga hairiba akoigi amangata thokpa yaba mapung oiba mafam akoina khanarabadi air, water, soil haina akoina parasida tambai yagodori hairiba mang takna ba thoholiba posadubina akoina pollutants haina khanagani. Pollutants haibase akoigi kariguma posa amana adum mahaki akoigi chang leibam thokpudu hek hengalabadi madu akoina hekta pollutants kaugani maramdi maduna akoibi phibam du mochilanba nadraga mang tahaningai oirabadi aduna makha tarpada. Pollution takes place when the environment cannot process and neutralize harmful byproducts of human activities, for example poisonous gas emissions. Pollution thokpa haibase akoina karama matamda kaugani hairabadi akoigi prakriti na ngasagi magi akoibada lejariba magi phibam aduna hanagum amuk hanjalhanba ngamdaba adumba matangdu yawraklabadi madu akoina pollution thokpane na haigani. Aduga madugumba amangata tholagadoriba phataba mekhu thadokpo biyai. Pollution has negative impact on crucial environmental services such as provision of clean air and clean water. Environmental pollution is a problem both in developed and developing countries. Pollution na aduki matik achauba akoigi chaitheng ama piri hairiba chaitheng asi chakhot khraba lebak da oirbasu natraga chakholakliba lebak to oirbasu chamana na hakteng se pi hairiba chaitheng asi akoina karama mong da pi harigadi akoina miyoiba akoina hingba matamda khudongchana na ba haidana asengba nungsit asengba ising asengba akoibagi phibam haidana akoina lauriba khonglibase message da mahakna hojiki pollution asina yamna chawna ithilama pi masina akaiba pi. Environmental pollution is a problem both in developed and developing countries. Akoina khali madudi chakhot kharbaleba adudi ngasagi adumba pollution dugi ithildu natraga mahaki chaitheng adu yauroidrana khalabasu akoina samsamni yangba matamda akoigi yumlon na leba yum ani hairagadi karigumba yum amaduna amotpa natraga manam nam thiba ma thadrokba matamda thangnariba lonariba yum adusu dum chap manana manam nam thiba madi amotpadu gi chaitheng phange asumna yumlon na ba matamda chakhot peleba amaga chakhot tribleba anga yumlon na rabadi chakhot peleba adusu chap chana dum chakhot tribleba dun phangi ba chaitheng do masu phange aduna ma chakhot charabani haidana manam matom da naitom tongan na ta leba oithokte. Factors such as population growth and urbanization place greater demands on the planet and stretch the use of natural resources to the maximum. Mapungna pollution tholok na nabagi maram se akhoi machak se kari kari noibi haragadi akhoi miyoibna chakhot patang khalakpagi oina mafum gudimak soro thongna no honarpa amadi asagi missing hengalakpa sina akhoi hana lejaramiba अखोगी रिसोर्सेस अखोगी लन कया से मसी अखोइना खम थेंगना ngai makhai yongna khoina phangna sisina thokpagi adumba khudong chada phibam ma yorokpadi khoi pollution ji thokpani haina khoina lowi. Environmental pollutants are constituent parts of the pollution process. They are the actual executing agents of environmental pollution. They come in gaseous, solid or liquid form. Akhoigi akoibagi phibam mosila lakliba machak sing asi akhoina masina akhoigi gas form the obi solid form the obi liquid form the obi the mahi mapang manin obi asai akhoi akoibe phibam mosila nanabagi natraga akoibe phibam sida leijaram bahane saktam manghal nanabagi machaks. In order to develop and implement an effective international policy for pollution management, it is important, among other factors, to understand their decomposition mechanisms. Akoina yamna afaba adumba matik mayai leba adumba akoigi policy ma mayam ge lebak shinthungna chanabe aba ma akoina chanana naba ngasai akoina honori ngai talaksida akoina khangjin bada tangai pado amakhakti kai nuaragadi hairiba pollutants kaya sibo akoina matau karamna makhoi si manghan ge hidage habisigi pambai akoi khangdokpa ngamna na honabadu suni. Decomposition of pollutants can occur either biologically or chemically. Pollutants kaya ma akoina amuk maki mana mang tahan nanaba phibam da oiribadu thugaina naba habadi pollutants masadu manghan ginanaba akoina oibe aba pambai si kari kari oibe ai hargadi biologically or chemically akoina atoppa chemical sizinaraga natraga na nature gi magi own process ta oibe ai. Non-biodegradable pollutants are the ones that cannot be decomposed by living organisms and therefore persist in the ecosphere for extremely long periods of time. Adubu ngasai akoigi laihau da matomta akoigi prakriti gi maki oiba natural process da tumbangam daba mang bangam gi daba adumba akoigi pollutants kaya adudi akoigi akoiba da kuina leiduna akoiba gi phibam asi sohallakpa da ngasai mateng oiba. Aduna hairiba sing asi akoina kari kari na oibi yai hargadi adumba kuina leiba ngamba akoi natural process ta thuna decompose to bangam daba thuna mang bangam gidaba makoi sing asi kari kari oibi yai hargadi they include plastics, metal, glass, some pesticides and herbicides and radioactive isotopes. Makoi sing adudi plastics akoina seasonariba polythene no seasonable bi khao no seasonariba kaya si metals akoina seasonariba dhatu khudimak glass amadi pesticides ngasai akoi low da kari da til taba han anabani edna seasonariba chemical sing amadi herbicides low til hidak and radioactive isotopes aduga loina ngasai radioactive radiation pibangamba ngasai akoi gi isotopes harga elements adumba elements karigumba reaction ama thokpa matamda radiation pithorokpa ngamba adumba objects adumba items kayadu nangasagi nature da thunamak makoidi mutkhiba mangkhiba ngamde matam kuina nature da dum leiraga amanga ta chi thole. A combination of many factors such as wind, water and climate are required to work together to achieve neutralization of pollutants of non-biological decomposition and the non-biodegradable pollutants. Adunadi ngasai hairiba sing asibo koina matomta natural process ta manghan ginanabagi honarakbada wind, water and climate punna makoi tangai fatabal lei. Air pollutants, unlike the solid and liquid pollutants found on land and water, may be removed from the atmosphere through wet deposition or dry deposition. Aduga ngasai akogi nuksita phangba pollutants nuksita phangba amorakai kaya sing asi mapangoi bi mahi obi asi ngasai akoina makoi lokthok nanabagi akoi akoiba ngasai nuksitna mathakta leiraga mochilan ba sargodo akoina lokthok nanabagi madubu mahan nanabagi pambai se akoina anikha khanabe madudi wet deposition habamga dry deposition habamga. In the case of wet deposition, pollutants make way into clouds or other precipitation and then get deposited onto the surface of the earth by way of rain. Ngasai liquid form da lokthong nanoi pambe duna kari kanamba mongda tauge hargadi hariba pollutants sing aduna akoigi leichil ga pullaga ngasai natragana akoigi nong oina tarakpa yaba adumba amang leichil luga punjilaga ngasi prithvi gi lemai da nong ana chura aga ngasi akhoi air da lerba amot pasing ado lemai da pudaraga madu mo khoina lemai de mo mahan na ba honna ba mateng oiba aduna in the case of dry deposition pollutants are deposited directly onto the planet's surface and vegetation such as plants and trees or tropical rainforest aduga dry deposition hairaga na ngasi akhoi gi prithvi gi lemai thakta gi khwai gi wang na hoba pambi hoba mafam sing khudam oina ngasi akhoi gi tropical rainforest hairiba asida ngasi gi makhoina uful loina ngasi chemicals yauba akhoi gi pollutants kaya aduni ko mahang na masida ngasi writers na pannan honari se aduna laires de yauri se pollutants to chemicals yauba pollutants sing aduni hairiba chemical yau pollutants sing ase nongi kuthang da prithvi lemai da yauraga mahan na hona ba natraga na ngasi una u pal kaya da ngasi uful loina paaga leirambadagi akoina lokthokna na hona ba adum ba pambe ani sina ngasi akoigi nungsita thon ba amot ba pollution adubu handana na bagi pambe oi. There are many types of environmental pollution, but the most important ones are air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollutions. Pollution thon na bagi pambai kayam lay pollution thon na bagi makal kayam lay hairi ba makal sing adu manung da khwaidi maru ina khoina nei nagaduri ba sing air amadi water amadi asai soil hum asine. Air pollution is caused by notable air pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, ozone depletion, volatile organic compounds, and airborne particles. Air pollution akoigi nungsitda mochilan base kari kari na mapung ina mochilan bage hargadi sulfur dioxide is a factories they carry they thadrok pa adum chemicals makhala mane hairiba sulfur dioxide asina hayeng akoina makha chathrak matam da thengna kani maduna nungsita yaw guraga nong chumina rakpa matam da maduna acid olaga Taj Mahal gi glaze Taj Mahal gi langtrik lang mangal ei gaina hariba sing ase masi makoi nungsita phangba adum chemicals fataba sing ne nitrogen dioxide carbon monoxide hariba sisu akoi gi gari dai thadrok pa adum ba incomplete combustion thau phajana chakthek pangam da ba adum ba matam da thadrok pa mekhu adum carbon monoxide sine ozone depletion ozone padharak pa ozone padharak pa nang ase UV ray na ngasi miobe skin da hena chakthek tuna natraga skin da mutation tholi damage tholi gaina mayam khabar da kagas da launari ba asina ozone depletion volatile organic compounds hari volatile hari manel loina swai mang mangam ba adum organic compounds hari carbon oxygen yawa adum ba compounds makhal hai bisi akoina karam ba mafam da kadai da uge har ga di samna na koina hakchang akogi manam nungsina nabni na kapi ba body spray gumba adum ba adu da yawa makhalamani hairibasi akoi hakchang chongai oiba poramani and airborne particles adu loina na nungsita phangba adumba particles khara. The radioactive pollutants are probably among the most destructive ones. Hairibasi hasigi mathakta ngasai radioactive oiba haidi radiation puthokpa ngamba adumba hazardous hakchang chongai oiba radiation puthokpa ngamba pollutants kaya aduna hena destructive oil mang tangningai oi habisini